hours of journey. Maybe I will quickly finish with a couple of appreciations, Vignesh, and I will give it to you back. I would like to thank this whole XCOM team as well as the role players who made this possible. It is not like one day or a week. I saw this group, the group for the role players created at least 30 days before, and great job, Ashok, Pudatan, Kripa, Gopi, and everyone from the Meraki as well as the Vignesh and team. Let's give a big round of applause for the role players and the team behind this joint meeting. One point in time, we were about 45 people in the meeting, and I am happy to see this enthusiastic crowd. And one best thing I would say of this joint meeting, the moment Aarti has checked up, and the instant response from CTC was that they want to join with the Meraki on the Meraki time. Thank you so much that we made this impact on you on this 7 a.m. Breakfast club. Let's see, we will soon resume our in-person meeting, and we will invite you again. And with this, Ashok, is it you are working on the results? The slides will take some more time. We will finish this awards and come back.
No, results are there. We can go
maybe the first slide alone, Ashok, and
yeah. Shall we go ahead with the
first slide alone, not results, the first slide alone.
Okay, sure. Just a minute. Yeah.
Next. Yeah. So I would like to take time to appreciate Jayanti Manikam, our newest member to this Meraki fraternity, and she has done a great job in making a quick doodle for today's management book review. Let's give a big round of applause for Jayanti Manikam. Great job, Jayanti. I'm sure one picture is enough rather than the 1,000 words, as we say. I'm sure this book review will be remembered for long. To the members of CTC, we will send you this a picture to you as well, and we'll post you. And thank you so much, Jayanti, and we are looking forward for more such doodles in the coming meetings. You will see this more often in our social media also. You can stop sharing, Ashok.
Yeah.
So now it's time for the recognition of milestone speech completion. May I request all of us to applaud for the level 2 completion of Distinguished Toastmaster Sundararaman. Sundar is completing level 2 from the second path. Few of you may not know that he has already completed one path last year, last Toastmaster year, I would say, and now he has started the second path and he has completed level 2 in effective coaching. Congratulations, Sundar, for completing this level 2. Over to you, Vignesh.
Yeah, thank you, Satish. Before announcing the award, I would like to thank each and every one member who joined this meeting today in the early morning. Because in Coromandel, we used to join in the evening. Can you please stop sharing the time? Yeah. Okay. We used to meet in the evening. That's where you find a cool breeze in the evening. Because of that, our members said good evening while you were speaking in the table topics. So I would like to thank all the XCOM meeting made this happen. And next, moving on to awards, it's an honor for me to recognize one of the best Toastmaster in District 120. Let's all unmute yourself. Actually, TT session has got over way back. We're not going to pull you, and you can unmute yourself. And let's all, still many people are not. Okay, let's all clap to thunderous. Let's hear Satish. Come on completing level 5 official communication. I didn't hear much. Okay, thanks. Then moving on to feedbacks. As the guest is already left, is there anyone from Meraki want to give a feedback? Is there any Meraki non-rolling player want to speak now? You can give your feedback from Meraki Club.
Yes, Vignesh. Hi, this is Vijay Lakshmi.
Hi, ma'am.
We say management book review is a signature of Meraki, where Merakians are trained. We do it in every meeting. It was such a pleasant surprise to see someone from Coromandel do this very meticulously. I love the way John presented this management book review today. Absolute calm, composure, and the choice of words was simple. And I like the way he brought this complete review in place. He had the verdict in place. Very well done, John. It was such a pleasant surprise to see someone else other than Meraki to do a management book review. I absolutely enjoyed it.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Toastmasters.
It means a lot for Coromandel Toastmasters Club. Next stage is for you, Satish, to get feedback.
Thanks, Vignesh. Maybe may I ask Abhinaya to please share few words of feedback. Abhinaya and family also, you can provide a feedback.
Thank you so much, Satish. It is always wonderful to be part of Meraki's meeting. There is always a learning whenever I attend this meeting. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Abhinaya. Hope you had great time. Before we go ahead with the results, I would not be doing justice if I don't appreciate the umpteen role players you saw today. To start with our TM Modi duo and the fabulous Mirko TV and idea. The moment I saw that, I know this idea from Jayanti. So no surprise. And okay, it's Priyatham. Okay, so Jayanti is showing.
I will not take the credit.
Okay, the TV and Jayanti is inseparable. So appreciate Priyatham and Jayanti for this fabulous TM Modi, and I would like to appreciate this meticulous tag role players, Abhinaya, the timer today, as well as our grammarian, and also the two role players who pitched in last moment. Needless to mention, the table topic master, Priya Ganesh, and we could not give you more opportunity, Priya. We will get some marathon for TT upcoming meetings, and also a distinguished Toastmaster Vijay Lakshmi for pitching as the last minute master evaluator. Thank you so much for the speakers, evaluators, and table topic speakers, and umpteen participants from CTC. With this, we will go ahead with the results, Vignesh.
Yeah, sure, Satish. Before that, I would like to recognize one role player who pitched in last, Toastmaster Murli, who took the evaluation at last. So I would like to congratulate him also.
Thank you so much, Murli.
Yeah. And we can go to awards. You can.
Yeah.
Sure. Shall we go through the breakfast table evaluation quickly and then move to the
Yeah, you
awards?
can
Is
just
that okay?
display for a second, and we can send it across to the members also through WhatsApp.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
All right. So this is the breakfast table evaluation for Satish. I'll be sharing the files to the individuals. So
As
this
this is
is
going on, I would like to add here, you'll be watching the screen here. The etymology for this name breakfast table is that after our session, we used to go to Krishna Sweets for our breakfast for Meraki. And if 2 hours are spent in the meeting, 2 hours will be spent in the table during the breakfast. And we used to share all these opportunities for improvement, all those words, everything will be shared there. And hence this name for this Mentimeter breakfast table evaluation.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Yes.
for that background. Yeah, Satish, we are ready with the results.
Yeah, please go ahead. The best tag role player goes to our counter Abhinaya. Best role player, no doubt, Jayanti and Priyatham. Congratulations. Best TT speaker, Badrinath. Congratulations, Badri. Best evaluator, Gopinath. Congratulations. Best
finally,
speaker, Toastmaster Nagaraj. Congratulations. Vignesh, before closing remarks, let's take this group picture.
Yeah, sure. I request everyone to turn on your videos and try a new thing. Since this is a joint meeting, we can have a hand gesture of C and M. Are you able to see? Is it okay? Can everyone do C and M? Three finger pointing downwards. 3 finger only. M.
What is this here? New mudra.
No, C. That's C. Not C. Yeah.
Some action. Fingers will get numbed too.
1 second.
Who is not doing?
You'll wait till after the meeting. We will make you do it.
நானே பண்ணி நானே வச்சுக்கிறேன். Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. And I would like to recall what I said at the beginning of the meeting. When you are in confusion, what do you want to do? You don't just pick something at random to do it. Choose what really you are interested and what really you are good at it. Like what I said in the beginning, what Jayanti told me like 7-8 years back. Not just any XCOM role, just pick what you want to take it up. I would like to leave you with this thought and adjourn for the Meraki meeting to 12th of September. For the next meeting is our club level contest of humorous speech and evaluation speech contest happening on 12th September, Zoom call at 9 a.m. Vignesh?
Yeah, from my side, as I said in the initial, in Toastmasters, each and every person will inspire you. In District 120, Meraki is the place where every member inspired many. So it's a dream come true for me, for us, I would say, for CTC. Because there are 185 clubs, the dream for 183 to have a joint meeting with Meraki, that made happen for us because of our XCOMs. I would like to thank XCOMs bottom up from my heart. And regarding the announcements, as we said, we released a poster for renewal. You can grab the early bird offer. You can renew for the next term. And next week, we are going to have our club level contest for humorous and evaluation. And you can drop in your nominations to Toastmasters Tobin. And with this, I adjourn meeting number 363.
Thank you so much, everyone. Join us in the next meeting. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Priyatham.
Bye-bye.
I had a great time with Priyatham.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I had a great time, really. Learned a lot. Benjamin took a lot of time. Everything. Like,
You were very cooperative. He did line by line scripting, like a Terekadai in a film. Amazing. I really wanted to mention that.